Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3. Okay, video part 2, question number 15. The least common multiple of four numbers are 720. If three numbers are 16, 10 and 40, then find the fourth number. Actually, 720 is the least common multiple, means LCM. So, the fourth number should divide 720. So, first we will reject the denominator by dividing it. So, if you divide 720 with 75, so you can check it cannot be completely divisible. 720 divided by 75, so you can check it is not divisible. So A is rejected and we cannot divide with D also. That is 54. Now we are left with two options, 144 and 80. So let's proceed. So first we will prime factorize 16. If we prime factorize 16, we can write 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. We can write it in the form of exponent 2 to the power 4. Okay, now 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5. 40 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. That is your 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 720. Prime factorize 720 also. So prime factorization of 720 is you can multiply it, you can just do it in your notebook. I'm just writing it directly. It is 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2 and multiply by 5. So 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2 multiply by 5. Now uh, observe the common factors in them. So we can see 2 to the power 4 is the highest factor which is present in 16. Okay? Now 3 to the power 2, we don't have this factor 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now third one is your 5. 5 is the highest exponent is 1 and it is available here. We have. But we don't have 3 to the power 2. Okay. Now prime factorize the options 144. If you prime factorize 144, it will be your 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Okay. So 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. And if we prime factorize 80, so it will be your 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 5. So we can see we have already 2 to the power 4 and 5 in these options, in these numbers. So we are left with the 3 to the power 2. It is available in 144. So that's why option B, 144 will be the number. LCM will be 720 with these numbers. Okay, so 15th answer is B. How to do? So for step 1, we have rejected the options which cannot divide the LCM. Step 2, we have taken the prime factors. Step 3, we have also taken the prime factors of the LCM also, and then check with the options which has the left factors. Okay. Question number 16. The product of two numbers is this. HCF is this. Find the LCM. We know that product of numbers equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. If you don't know, just note it down in your notebook. Product of two number is given 11016. LCM is not given, HCF is given. So LCM multiply by 18. This implies LCM equal to 11016 divide by 18. If you divide it with 18, so you can find 612 as the answer. So 16th answer is option B. Okay. Question number 17. The HCF of greatest two-digit prime number and the greatest four-digit number is. The greatest two-digit prime number. Greatest two-digit prime number is greatest two-digit prime number equal to 97. Okay? And greatest four-digit number. So greatest four-digit number is, just write GREATEST, greatest four-digit number. You all know that is 999. Since it is a prime number, the prime number does not have any common factor. Okay? And this is the greatest prime. You have to find the HCF. So since it is a prime number, there will not be any common factor. So this too will be a co-prime number. And co-prime number has the common factor as 1 only. Option C. 17th answer is option C. 18. The sum of two numbers is 324 and their HCF is 9. Find the other number. Okay. So sum is given and HCF is given here. Since 9 is the highest common factor. So highest common factor is 9. Let X and Y are the co-prime number. Co-prime number. Okay, co-prime number. Which when multiplied with 9, then its sum will become 324 and its HCF will become 9. 9 दिया हुआ आपका highest common factor. तो first number will be here. First number will be 9x and second number will be your 9y. And it is given that 9x plus 9y equal to 324. Okay. If we divide 9 both sides, so we will get x plus y equal to 36. Okay. 36. So we have to find the pair of the 36 in such way that they have the common factor 1 only. X and y should be such that whose sum should be 36, but common factor should be 1 only. So we can write 1 and 35. 1 plus 35 is 36. Common factor is 1 only. We cannot take 2 or 34 because 2 will be the common factor. It cannot be a common co-prime number. Next number we can take 5 and 31. In this way, you can make a pair of the numbers and you can just check it should be a co-prime number. Okay? So just let's take it only 2 pair. Then your first number, first x is this and y should be 35. So first number, that is your 9x, should be your 9, x equal to 1 and 9y means 9 multiplied by 35, that will be your 315. Okay. Find out the sum of these two. If you take the sum of these two, 9 plus 5, 4, so you can find 324. Sum is, you can find 324. If we take 5 and 31, okay, so 5 and 31, so first number is your 9x that is your 9 5s are 45 and 9y, y equal to 31. So 9 multiplied by 31, that is your 279. So if you add 279 with 45, so you will get 324 again. Okay, after adding this two, you will get 324. So you just check. It is available in the option 45 and 279. No, it is not available, not available. But this one is available. This one is available, that 9 and 315. It is available in the option B. So we will go with B option. 18th answer is B. There can be more number of pair like this whose HCF is 9 and sum is 324. You can find out using uh, this trick to make the pair and check it. Okay. Question number 19. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 28 and 1176 respectively. If the difference between the number is 308, then find the numbers. Then the numbers can be. तो numbers क्या हो सकता है? So here we will use the rejection method from the option. ठीक है? मतलब this is the easy method for grade 6. So for your grade, we will do the rejection method. Since it is written that the difference between the numbers should be 308. So option A, if you find the difference between these two numbers, it is not 308. A is rejected. Now come to the option B. It is given that 28 is the HCF. 28 is the HCF. HCF is the number which can divide both the number. है ना? So if you divide 104 with 28, you can find it is not divisible. That's why it will be rejected. Okay. Here it can be divisible by 28. But 94 cannot be divisible by the 28. So that's why D will be also rejected. Answer will be your C. 19th answer is C. You can find out the LCM of option C and check its LCM is 1176 or not. Okay. Question number 20. Swapnesh wants to mail 3 parcels to 3 village schools. He finds that postal charges are 42, 63 and 294. He wants to buy stamp only of one denomination. Find the greatest denomination of stamp he must buy to mail 3 parcels. Actually, Swapnesh want a highest common factor between these 3 numbers so that he can paste the different numbers of stamps on the postal card. Okay, but all the stamps should be of same denomination. So that's why we will just find the highest common factor. So number are your 42, 63. So first take 63 and 42 ones are 42, 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 4 2. Now 42 to 21 twos are 42. Okay. Now 21 is the HCF between 63 and 42. Now check this HCF with the third one. So 294 divided by 21. 21 ones are 21. 8 will drop down, 0, sorry, and then 4 will drop down. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 0, 0. So 21 is the answer. Okay, 21 is the answer, or is the common stamp. 21 is the common denomination which can divide these 3 numbers. So that should be your answer. That should be the denomination which can be pasted on 3 parcels as per their value. Okay. 20 answer is option C. Sorry, option B. Question number 21. The HCF of two numbers is 35 and other two factors of their LCM are 11 and 17. Find the larger of the two number. Okay. तो LCM factor is given 11 and 17. इसका मतलब अगर मैं हम LCM निकालेंगे तो that will be your 35 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 17. but question is asking for the largest number among these two. So larger number can be your, it can be your 35 multiplied by 17 or 35 multiplied by 11. This two number can be the possible answer. But which number will be bigger? 35 multiplied by 17. That is your 595. Okay. So that's why option A is the correct answer. You can check, you can check option B and option C is not exactly divisible by 35. It means these two numbers cannot be the answer because the given set of numbers should be divisible by their HCF. Okay. D and A can be the answer, and among these two, A is the bigger one. That's why A will be the answer. Okay. Come to the question number 22. 6 bells are tolled together. They toll at interval of 3, 5, 8, 9, 12 and 15 seconds respectively in 24 hours. How many times do they toll together? कितनी बार वो फिर से एक साथ करेंगे? तो how many times? So to calculate how many times, first we have to calculate after which time they will toll together again. So first is a 0 starting time. Second will be its LCM. LCM of 3, 5, 8, 9, 12 and 15. First we will take 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 6, 15. Again we can take 2, 3, 5, 2, 9, 3, 15. Now we can take 3. 1s are, 5s are, 2, 3s are, 1s are, 5s are. Now we can take 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1. Now these two are the co-prime numbers. So LCM will be your 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So this is your 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 62s are 120 and 123s are 360. So 3 after 360 second, every after 360 second, the bells will toll together. Okay? So we have to just find in 24 hours how many seconds are there. So in 24 hours there will be 3600 multiplied by 24. So you can just write here, I'm writing here, number of times of tolling of bells together इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा आपका 24 multiply by 3600 upon 360. ठीक है तो 360 tens are now 24 multiply by 10 तो 240. That is in the option number D. So 22nd answer is option D. Okay, come to 23rd question. In a school library, there are 1080 books of mathematics, 792 books of science. Miss Silpi, the librarian of the school, wants to store these books in a shelves such that each shelf should have the same number of books of a subject. What should be the minimum number of books of each subject in each shelf? So for minimum number of books, we have to find the common factor, the highest common factor between these two so that it can be stacked together. Okay, to find the HCF. Okay. So let's take the HCF 1080 divided by 792. So ones are 792, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 and then 2. Divide with 792. So 288, 288 twos are 576. 5, 7, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 8 minus 7, 1. And 7 minus 5, 2. 216 divided by 288. So, ones are 216. 8 minus 6, 2, 7, 0. 72, 216, 3s are 0, 0, 0. So 72 is the HCF. 72 is the HCF and 72 is the number of books which can be kept on the shelf so that the minimum number of each subjects can be kept on the shelf. Option A is the answer. 23rd answer is option A. 24. Product of two numbers is 9126. If HCF of numbers is 39, then find the larger number. Okay? Product of these two number is given here. Product of these two number is given here. So options should divide this number also. Options should divide this number also. So if we divide with 39, 9126, 9126 divide by 39, we will get 234. So 234 multiply by 39 equal to 9126. So it can be one set of number. Okay, it can be one set of number, but it is actually one set of number or not, you can check it by dividing with 39 again. If it is dividing 39, yes, it can be one set of number. So larger number can be 234, but it is not available here. Okay, now we will check with 78. So 9126 divide by 78, 117. 78 multiply by 117, that is your 9126. Okay, so here 78 cannot be the larger number, but 117 can be the larger number. Okay, and if we check with 156, so 9126 is not divisible completely by 156. So that's why in the available options, option D is the larger number. So 24th answer is option D. Question number 25. HCF of two numbers is 42. If the product of the number is this, then possible number of such pair is. So to find the possible number of such pair, first we have to just prime factorize the number 15876 with 2. So 2 sevens are, 2 nines are, 2 threes are, 2 eights are. Again 2 threes are, 9s are, 6s are, 9s are. Now 3 1s are, 3s are, 2s are, 3s are. Again 3 4s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are. Again 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 3 7s are. Okay, now 7 2s are, 1s are. Again 7 3s are. Now 3 1s are. Okay, so prime factorize of this is 1 2 2 to the power 2 multiply by 1 2 3 4 3 to the power 4 multiply by 7 to the power 2, and it is equal to 15876. Now 42 can be written as 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 equal to 42. Okay, since we can see the highest power of 2 is only 2 and 7 is only 2. Okay, so it means there can be only one pair, that is your 42 multiply by 378 whose product can be 15,876 and HCF can be 42. Since highest power is 2 only, so only one pair can be formed here. Okay, so option A. 25th answer is option A. Come to the question number 26. The least multiple of 7 which leaves a remainder of 5 when divided by 13, 15, 18 and 36. ठीक है, तो first we will find the number which can be divisible by these set of number. So that will be your LCM. So 13, 15, 18 and 36. Find its LCM. So we can take 3 as the common factor. 13 will be as it is 5, 6 are and 12. Again we can take 3, 13, 5, 2 and 4. Now we can take 2 as the common factor. 13, 5, 1 and 2. Now these are the co-prime numbers. So LCM equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 2. So find the product of these numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 multiplied by 13, 234, 234 and multiply by 10, 2340, 2340. Now we have to find the multiple of 7. So to find the multiple of 7, we will just divide 2340 with 7. 3s are 21, so 2, now 0. 4 will drop down. 3s are 21, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 to 0. Now 0 will drop down, 7, 4s are 28. ठीक है, तो 0 to 0. Remainder is 2. Now when we divide this number, the remainder is left 2. Okay, the remainder is left 2. And here we can see 7 minus 5, that is 2. So if we just add 5 in 2340 plus 5, this will be your 2345, and that this is the number which when divided by this set of number, it will leave the remainder 5 and it will be divisible by 7 also. It means it is the multiple of 7. So option A is the correct answer. 26A. Question number 27. 3 tankers can contain 391 liter, 483 liter, 667 liter of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the diesel of 3 containers in exact number of times. So to find the exact number of times, to find the exact measure of the container, exact capacity of the container, we will find the HCF. ठीक है, so 483 divide by 391. We can take in ones are 391. 3 minus 1, 2. 18 minus 9, it will be 9 and 0. 92 divide by 3 and 9, 1. Okay. So 92 multiplied by 3, we will get 276. And if we check with 92 with 4, so it will be 368. 92 multiplied by 5, 460, that is more. Okay, so 368, we will go with 4 times. 368. Okay, because 92 4s are 368. Now 11 minus 8, 3. 8 minus 6, 2, 0. 9, 2. ठीक है, now 4s are 9, 2, 0. So 23 is the HCF between 483 and 391. Now check with 23 and 6, 6, 7. So, uh, 2s are 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 0, 2, 7 will drop down. Now 9 3s are 27, carry 2, 20. ठीक है, 9s are 2 0 7 0 0 0 23. So 23 can divide this number also. So 23 should be the amount of the container. So it can measure exactly. 27th answer is option C. Question number 28. The least number which when doubled will exactly divisible by this. Very simple. Find the LCM and half it. Okay. So 24, 16, 21 and 28. LCM will be your 2 say 12, 8, 21, 14. Now 2, 6 are, 4 are, 21 are, 7 are. Again 2, 3 are, 2 are, 21 are, 7 are. 3 1s are, 2s are, 7s are, 7s are. Now 7, 1, 2, 1, 1. LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 2. So its LCM will be your 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24, 7s are 168 and 2s are 336. Okay. Now question is asking about which 336 is the number, is the least number which can be completely divisible by this set of number. Question is asking about the number which is doubled, then it will be divisible by this. So it means we have to just make it half. So required number, we need 336 divide by 2, that is your 168. It is available in the option number B. 28th answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.